What's up guys? Today I'm going to play Roblox. This is today's video. I will upload four videos each day. So yeah. Let's do this. What can we play today? Good. I hope we can play something. Alright. No, well, I don't know what to play. Oh my gosh. Alright. Let's do this. I'm gonna check on my games. Settings. Then. Alright. What can I play here? Let's try Brookhaven. Alright, let's do this. I hope y'all can like this. Before we start playing this, make sure to hit that button and like this video if you like it. Whoa. Alright, let's start playing. Oh, do boy done. Alright. Let's design our go first. First thing, let's unlock it. Yeah. Shout out to the people who are playing the game. Dang. Rip. Let's go. Maybe this. Let's go. Not there. I will put it in the back. So what? Let's try that. Let's get a house. Not that good at the driver. Let's go. Let's see if there's an available house for us. What? Dude! Bro, this is not true. I didn't expect someone saying that. Let's go. Alright guys. If you want to be in my video, subscribe and I will tell you my I will accept 2 friend requests per day. Dude. And yeah, we're probably living in this island. Let's get this thing bamboo. Dude, you gotta be kidding me. Like, give him some money, man. And he said, someone gave me Alright. Alright, I need to do this. Alright, I texted him. Then, why are people role playing on this? That's kinda weird. Yeah. If it is a photo, then sorry. You don't need. And why am I about to drive? Next game. Next game. Dang, what are they playing? You gotta be kidding. Alright. Let's see what can we play. We're gonna play Titan Battlegrounds. Dang, not that. That's why I'm gonna play Titan Battlegrounds because I love Attack on Titan. And what are these buttons for? Royal Bad. Oh. How do we play? Ay, wow. Finally. Royal Bad. Marcus, say hi.
Hi.
I'm Marcus.
I'm Marcus.
Sabi mo, I'm Marcus.
I'm Marcus.
Yeah, very good. Alright. The strongest battlegrounds or eBay? Also guys, maybe that's the end. So bye. Thanks.